Pharmacology is a subject within the Bachelor of Science degree at NUI Galway. It's taught from the second year onwards. In the first year you'll be taught mathematics and physics and chemistry and biology to equip you to study pharmacology, which will start in the second year. So pharmacology is the study of how drugs work. What that means is how drugs get into the body, how they're metabolized by the body, how they're distributed around the body, and how they, we hope, have beneficial effects. It also means studying how they can induce side effects, and in the worst case, how they can poison somebody who's taken a drug inappropriately. In the second year, when you study pharmacology, we'll teach you about drug receptors. We'll teach you about how we measure drug effects. We'll teach you about how the body metabolizes drugs. We'll teach you about how drugs are developed and how they're studied. We'll also teach you something about some neurotransmitters. An important part of the course is a practical component, so there'll be lab exercises which start teaching you how to do experiments and how to address scientific problems. In the third year of the course, we build on year two, but we focus on main diseases. So we investigate how drugs are used to treat diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular disease, GI tract and immune diseases, and also cancer chemotherapy and how drugs are used to treat bacterial and fungal infections. Again, there's a very important practical component, so we have lab exercises which again teach you skills about how to actually perform scientific experiments. In the fourth year in pharmacology, we teach more advanced topics. These are a range of different topics related to pharmacology, but notably we'll teach you about drugs of abuse, how they work, how they affect your body. We'll also teach you about how drugs are developed. In this part of the course, a very important component is a practical project. This is a research project because all of the academics within the pharmacology discipline at NUI Galway are research active. So you'll undertake a 2-month lab-based research project where you'll have a specific experimental setup and scientific question to answer. So if you're seeking a career in science, pharmacology offers you a broad opportunity to study a range of different topics, as well as teaching you analytical and critical thinking to equip you for that career choice. We've had a large number of students through the department over the years, and they've taken a variety of different career paths. The course is designed to train you to be a scientist, and a large proportion of the students have gone on to careers in science in various ways. So some have taken higher degrees and gone into research institutes, some have become academic staff at different universities, some have taken positions in the pharmaceutical industry. Some of the students have gone on to work in regulatory bodies, which perform a very important function in assessing data from drug companies to determine whether drugs are safe and whether they should be approved for use as medicines. If you're interested in how drugs work, if you're interested in the natural world, if you have an interest in biomedical science, studying pharmacology is a very interesting course for you. It's going to explain lots of different aspects of biochemistry, cell biology and pharmacology. So if you have a broad interest in biomedical science, you'll find this course very interesting.